Today we'll talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Slack app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above your photo profile, click on it here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on preferences, you just click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, just go down here, come here to Underline links, just click in this sign here. Then like you see this color show for us, that's mean here Underline links enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.